Welcome to the last lesson of the Adobe Express video course. In the previous lessons, we explored the basic interface tools of Adobe Express, and we saw how to make flyers, logos, videos in vertical format, to publish on social medias like Instagram and TikTok, and videos in a horizontal format, to publish on platforms like YouTube. Today we're going to explore the Add-ons section, which is located on the toolbar to the left. By selecting the last button, we'll be able to unlock new capabilities, content, and integrations compared to those offered by the standard version of Adobe Express. This will allow us to tailor our profile to our specific needs for an easier and faster workflow. In the section Adobe Speaks, we find several options that are suggested to us because more appreciated and downloaded by users. We have a Video Effects Pro that unleashes endless video and image effects, and Vato that gives us authentic stock photos and icons, Giffinity, which searches and adds GIFs to our designs, Spelling Checker, that checks the spelling of text within our design, Stable Diffusion XL, that generates high-quality images from text, Accessify, which is an AI-powered tool for accessible stunning designs, and Pixel Enhancer, that upscales our images. Scrolling down, we find the Collections section, which contains several subgroups such as AI-powered, social media, design elements, and creative guidance. In the AI-powered, we find add-ons like Photify AI that generates artistic AI avatars from a single selfie, GenChart that transforms raw data into charts with AI, and VP-Late that creates a short-form video solution in 5 minutes. In the social media collection, we have TikTok Symphony Assistant that gives us insights and suggests music, Red AI that predicts social media performances, and the Title Pro that forms animated titles. In the collection design elements, we have a QR Designer for creating customized QR codes, Word Cloud that creates a cloud with the word that we give it, and the Step Up Stickers that gives us fun stickers we can add to our designs. The last collection is Creative Guidance, with mockups, Design Buddy, Accessibility Checker, and Social Previewer. Scrolling down, we have 5 sections. The first is Attention Insight, which allows us to find out what users look at in our design so that we can focus on important details to make sure that what is important stands out. The second one is Trending Add-ons, which shows us which integrations are the most used by other users to get the most out of their Adobe Express experience. The third is Presentation and Documents, which includes all those add-ons that allow us to make professional presentations and documents. These include Simple Chart, that creates different kinds of charts that are very easy to apply, Sign for Express, that integrates the e-signature, and the Logo Animator, that easily animates our logos. As you can see on the left, we have several filters that we can choose from to select the add-ons we're looking for. Scrolling down, we have the price range, where we can choose to see the free add-ons or the ones that we need to pay for. And in the last section, we can see the ones we have installed. Going back, we can explore the fourth section, which is business needs, which allows us to streamline business processes like analytics and automations. Among the options, we have Data Pocket that integrates e-commerce and data feedback on Adobe Express, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Google Drive that we are already familiar with, Icon Generator that creates icon files for our desktop and mobile apps, and so on. Going back to the last section, we can notice a link that brings us to Adobe Developer, which allows those who are interested the possibility to create and share new add-ons to add to our account. By scrolling down the page, you'll find all the information you need to get to work and create your customized add-on. This site gives you the opportunity to take the most out of your Adobe Express experience. But of course, not everybody wants to develop their own integrations, so we can go back to our account. To download an add-on to your account, you just need to select the one you like and need and click on Add. In this page, you'll find all the information you need about this specific add-on with images and examples. Once you downloaded it, you can click on Open and it will open up in a new project. As you can see on the left, we have our add-ons section with all the ones that we downloaded, and beside it we have Discover, where we can browse and select the ones we need. Now let's give some examples. If we select a simple chart, on the top we'll find a toolbar where we can choose the kind of bar that we want to use. Scrolling to the bottom, we'll find all the elements the chart is made of that we can modify by selecting. In this case, for example, we can change the color just by dragging it where we want it to be. We can change the label and the value. In this way, the chart will automatically change without us needing to do anything else. In case you have any doubts, you can always click this blue button where you'll find a user guide that will walk you through step by step. Once you're satisfied with your chart, you can always click on Generate to make it appear on your blank page, or you can download it to your device. To make some other example, we can go to Envato, where we have access to a whole lot of stock photos or icons that we can add to our account. In the previous lessons, we've seen how to make and edit videos, which we could use VideoFX Pro for. In this case, you'll only need to upload a picture or a video over here, and then scroll down in the FX library to find the effect you like the most. Then you can select Render, select the quality, and then just wait for it to upload to your page. Now this is the end of today's lesson, and also the end of the Adobe Express video course. If you're interested in other video guides, you can check the JBDTube YouTube channel. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next video.